Welcome to this tutorial on installing Phantom Wallet login. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing and managing cryptocurrencies, particularly Solana. To get started, first ensure you have a compatible web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave. Next, go to the Phantom Wallet website and click on the download button. You will be redirected to the Phantom Wallet extension page in the browser's extension store. Click the Add to Browser button to begin the installation process. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's extension bar and select Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including generating a password and backing up your seed phrase. It is crucial to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the Phantom Wallet dashboard where you can view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and manage your assets. To log into your Phantom Wallet, simply click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's extension bar and enter your password. As a best practice, always ensure you are installing the Phantom Wallet from the official website to avoid phishing scams. Additionally, never share your seed phrase or password with anyone, and always keep your browser and wallet software up to date to protect yourself from potential security vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can easily install and set up your Phantom Wallet login, giving you a secure and convenient way to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your digital assets.